This is the Bonneville Billing and Collections video. Hi, I'm Consumer Protection Attorney Bill Clanton, and I've helped hundreds of consumers deal with debt collection harassment, inaccurate credit reporting, auto fraud, and other consumer-related matters. In this video, I'll be discussing Bonneville Billing and Collections. Bonneville is a third-party debt collector based out of Ogden, Utah. As a third-party debt collector, they collect a wide variety of debts, including medical debts, retail debts, some municipal and government debts. They're sort of a general purpose or wide variety of debts that they handle. Bonneville has almost 100 Better Business Bureau complaints and 195 Consumer Financial Protection Bureau complaints. They've been sued in federal court close to 100 times. They're an active debt collector and they violate the law. So what laws do they violate? Well, the three primary laws that apply to Bonneville are the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, and the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The FDCPA says that Bonneville, as a third-party debt collector, can't call you before 9 a.m. or after 8 p.m. They cannot misrepresent the amount of the debt, the character of the debt, or the legal status of the debt to you. They cannot make any other misrepresentation to you. And if they're reporting your debt on your credit report and you dispute it, they have to report it as disputed. They cannot add any fees or other costs to it unless it's authorized in the initial contract. They can't communicate with you by postcard. They can't call you repeatedly or continually or try to harass you into paying. The Telephone Consumer Protection Act, the TCPA, says that if Bonneville is going to call you with an auto dialer, they have to have your permission before they use that auto dialer to place a call to you. If they don't have your permission, it's a violation of the law. If they have your permission and you revoke it, they have to stop calling you. A violation of the TCPA, the penalty to Bonneville for a violation of the TCPA is $500. And if you can show that they violated the TCPA knowingly or willfully, that penalty can be up to $1,500 per call. These penalties can add up very quickly. The third law is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA. The Fair Credit Reporting Act says that Bonneville has to report the information it has about you accurately and completely. And if they do not, and you ask Bonneville to investigate it by disputing it, then they have to conduct an investigation, get the results back to you, and correct the inaccurate information. If you dispute it and they don't correct it, then you can bring a lawsuit against Bonneville for their inaccurate credit reporting. These are powerful laws that protect you and will get Bonneville off your back. I can't use them to help you out until you call me. My office doesn't charge anything to bring these cases. So call today. Turn the tables on Bonneville. My number is 210-226-0800. Thanks for watching.